Hi everybody, I hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to talk about how to make your own customized Christmas ornament. So to make it easy for you, I made a template ornament for you. So click on the link below in the description. And when you click on that link, this is what's going to come up. So you'll see this Christmas ornament. This is my little granddaughter. There's a little glare on her face because she was wearing a plastic mask for her dance recital. But anyway, so this is how easy it is. All you're going to have to do is go to the right hand side here where it says personalize this template. Click on that, and right here you can change the text on the back and the picture on the front. So click on change and then upload images, and it's going to take you to your folders on your computer, and there you can pick any picture that you want to add to your ornament. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so I'll pick a little picture of my granddaughter, just a random picture, and add that. Okay, maybe not the best picture of her eating pudding, but so it will automatically fill in the whole ornament. Now, if you don't like the positioning of the ornament, click on customize further, and it will take you to a more detailed template where you can play around with the picture. You can move it left, right, up, or down, and adjust it. Over here you can click larger or bigger. Make sure you don't cover up this. This is a hole where the string is going to go. See where the string is there. So anyway, just fill it in the best that you can until you get your picture where you like it. Now, you can click done, and then click on personalize this template again. And so here you can change the text on the back of the ornament. So click on the back of the ornament, and you can put in what you want. Like you can put in Bella from 2021. So again, if you don't like the placement of the text, you can click to customize further, and you can move that around. You can also change the color if you want it a different color. You can change the font over here and make it a different font. So it's as simple as that. So now you can go back here, click done, and then you can see all the different views of your ornament. And that's it. You've got a customized Christmas ornament. Now click add to cart, and then you just buy it. That's it. So I hope that you guys make the ornament you want. Tell me below how it went. And happy Zazzling, you guys. Bye-bye.